Merhaba, hi everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. In this episode, we are making şehriyeli pilav, rice with orzo. It is our favorite side dish at home. It is so delicious, we never get tired of eating this. I'm sure you're gonna love it too. Let's get started. In Turkey, we usually use baldo or Osmancık rice, but you can also use kalros, or if you like basmati. I have 2 cups. I'm just going to soak it in salty hot water, preferably about 1 hour at least. I'm using a white shallow pan. This is copper, but you can use stainless steel pan too. In total, I'm gonna use about 4 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. I just wanted to rush because the pan heats very quickly. I'm going to fry my orzo pasta. You can also use vermicelli, by the way, but this is classic. For 2 cups rice, I use about 4-5 tablespoons orzo. You can use less. It is not that important. And I have nice color on my orzo now, so I'm adding the rice. I wash them about 2-3 times until I get a clear water to get rid of the starch. This will make our pilav fluffier, so don't skip this step. I'm going to saute everything, or fry, let's say, until I have a nice color and my rice is heated about 4-5 more minutes. Just add about 1 teaspoon salt. My teaspoon for salt that I use is very small than the universal measuring spoons, so I'm converting it for you. Maybe I should make a video about measuring cups that I use. Give your comments about it if you have. When you saute your rice, be patient. After a while you will see that it will be like a let's say wet sand. The rice will stick together with the heat, and then it will be done. Or you can say that about 4-5 minutes of stirring is enough. For your pilav, you can use regular water or chicken stock. Since I have a feast menu of Mahmudiye, which is an Ottoman dish I shared on the last episode, so I wanted to flavor my pilav with some of the stock. So for 2 cups of rice, I use 2 cups chicken stock and 1 cup plus 1/4 cups regular hot water. I'm gonna cook my pilav in the lowest heat for about 10 minutes until it absorbs all the water. And let's check it now. I'm gently pushing the rice to look at the bottom. It seems nice. So now I can turn off the heat and let it rest with the lid on for about 10-15 minutes. My dinner is ready. I have my Mahmudiye. It's Ottoman chicken dish with dried fruits and almonds. And here is our pilav with orzo. It is rested, and let's check it now how fluffy it is. I can surely say that pilav with orzo is really a side dish we can never resist, and we would never get bored eating it every day at home. But because of the health benefits, I usually try to alternate with the bulgur wheat pilav or pasta time to time. I hope you try this recipe and let me know how it turned out, my friends. You can watch the complete menu with Ottoman recipe, Mahmudiye and sütlaç dessert we had. I also have the plain pilav recipe on my channel. You can check from the links. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.